Welcome to a trade review or trade recap of the day of August 21st. I'm going to be going through the trades that I took and the mistakes. Basically, just almost like a live journaling of my trades. I already journaled my trades today, but I'm going to be putting it in like video format now. So, today I was not supposed to take this long, even though the long did work. No, it didn't hit my target. The reason why is because I have a rule that I don't trade 5 minutes before news. So even though with that rule being broken, I entered the trade. It went up 3 points. And if you know from my previous videos of my risk management, whenever I go 2 or 3 points in profit, I always put my stop at break even or like +1 point or +2 points. And I did that. I put it at break even. It came into here and right back down, took me out at break even. And instead of going and taking me out for the loss with good risk management, even with the rule broken, I still ended that trade slightly positive. Then the market started going up. Here was a signal I should have never, not a signal, but like an entry I should have never taken because I front run what my system actually is. So the system I'm playing, I front runned it. That's why I took the loss. I noted that down. I noted everything down about it. So I should have never taken this short here. And this long was a good one. It was part of my system and it went up in profit like 3-4 points. But even with the 3-4 points, I put my stop at 1.75. I actually had it at 2.25, so I was supposed to get out for 2 points, and it would have got me back to break even with this loss. So it didn't take me out there. It had slippage, as you can see from this bar, just in and out. And yeah, that's that trade. And the next trade was this long over here. The same exact reason why I took this long over here. My system was telling me to, and I just played it, and it took out my target at 4 points. So that was a really good one. Now I'm positive on the day, and or like slightly because of the loss over here. So then the next one was this long over here. Nothing was telling me to go long. I did it. I did it again. I front run my system, and it took me out. It punished me for that. So I got out at a loss of like 2.50. So I'm slightly down on the day, like break even on the day. Then I take the next short because that's what my system is telling me. And I take that nice 5 point run down and I end the day off at actually positive 5 points. So that's the day. I obviously, when I hit my 5 points, I call it for the day, no matter what time in the day or where I'm at in the day. Even if there's more opportunities, I'm going to be setting consistent targets. So whenever I hit that target, I'm done for the day until I get used to my system and actually start seeing consistency. Then I will be starting to push it or just not push it, but take more setups as the market goes on instead of just calling it at my target. So obviously, if I didn't stop there, I would have made 1 or 2 or 3 more positive, like 3, 4, 5 point trades. But being consistent with your risk management, with your targets, and how much you want to end the day off at is really good. It will keep you making more in the longer run. So that's why risk management and everything goes involved with it needs to be done correctly. And that's one thing I learned and I started doing a lot better. I have videos on that if you want to go watch it. So, yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to be doing more videos like this and I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe.